Yo, yo, it's Mad Max style! Get in the bus, get in the bus! Ah!
What's good? What's good? Now we're here on our new grind. We decided to go a bit earlier and start at 8 or 7 because it's starting to get really hot here. The good old question, what are we going to do?
We're going to plant again. We have another garden bed over there. There we're going to plant something. I think we will work on the chillout area a bit more and maybe on the house.
Gonna build some.
We got all of this hay and we will use this for mulching the plants to keep them a bit moist and also to suppress the weeds. And we will plant garlic around the trees because the garlic prevents a lot of tree diseases.
Look what we did!
And this will all dry and then you have a nice ground cover.
Since people will be sitting on here and putting a lot of weight on the table, I wanted to put in some bolts.
What's good? What's good? It's still pretty early and I'm still pretty tired. But now we're continuing with the chillout area.
Yannick is going to cut this log and then we try to fit it in from here to here. And then we have our last border of the chillout area. Good morning! I would say let's start with the chillout area because Johannes, we need your help with the chainsaw, otherwise we cannot do anything else. And if we do this now, then Yannick and me can do the bench and the...
Okay, you heard the boss. Let's do some chainsawing.
in the early morning.
And the process with the chillout area is going on and on and on. Now we get the very first window. Oh yeah.
Estou para bully, André. Nice.
So, what's going on now? We're doing some planks going here, right?
Yeah, we're doing little shushugi bomb planks underneath where the window will be. And here, the big opening. Here. This is where our nice, beautiful window will go.
This one. What's good, what's good? So now we got here for the wood for making a frame for the windows. So we cut it, we sand it,
And we screw it.
and we screw it. So we pack our stuff for today, but tomorrow we will have a nice head start. We got the window and we got everything prepared to put it in.
Yes, sir.
In the moment we are working on a little fixing a little issue, and we just realized actually that it's because of we are working so much with this natural wood, and of course the natural wood is kind of bent sometimes. Then you have to find creative solutions to make it work with the pre-cut stuff.
Yeah.
Ah,
That's true.
I just want to show that we got a window here now, and you prove it with the knock test.
Look.
So it's just a window.
And most importantly, it's not the window. We didn't make the window, we made the window frame. Check it out.
The next days, or today maybe, we cover just these holes like we did outside, and then we put silicone, and then it's done.
Yes.